So here's my latest addition to Big Orange, the Jetson Orin Nano developer kit, which has an 8 gigabyte board with a 6-core ARM processor and the Nvidia module GPU, and that can run at 67 TOPS, tops, 67 trillion operations, and it's $249 in a hard to find right now. So here's what it looks like installed in Big Orange, which I found just a little enough room to fit it, and it currently has its own 12-volt battery pack because it does use a fair amount of energy. It goes from it can be configured down to 7 watts up to around 30-something watts in this new Max M mode, which is kind of a overclocking controlled by heat or limited by the heat. So this is connected to the main computer, which is the Latte Panda, and via USB port, and it can communicate over IP over USB through a nice thing they've set up, which allows you to SSH directly, so what you can do with this is large language models, vision language models, all locally on the robot, and so that's what I've been up to. Even possibility of real-time video annotation per frame. So that's where I'm at, and I'll show you some examples. So I've launched a test program that is using the Nvidia Jetson Nano on the robot, and so here I can converse by typing instead of talking for now. This is just a test, so I'll show you what I can ask it. So this is all running locally, so I'm going to say, can you tell me something about yourself? And I execute that, and then I do have it responding in voice.
Sure thing. I'm a testbed robot built in 2020 by Jim D'Annunzio. My brain is a Latte Panda running Windows in an AI LLM for chat. I can move around indoors, avoid obstacles, and even recognize faces and objects. What would you like to know more about?
Okay, now I can give it a command, for instance, please drive in the path of a closed square. So let's see, this is an example of using tools. And so I give it that, and this is going to be some debugging output, please excuse it, but it is.
I've completed the square path. You can check my starting point again to see where I ended up. Is there anything else you'd like me to do?
So this shows you that it's using a tool called getPose. It gets its current pose, and then it makes a call move through locations, and this is the points of the square, and I'm still working out having it do this exactly right, but it essentially is mostly working to do this. And then when this is connected to the real robot, or when it's connected to actual motors, then it will actually move in the square. That's it.